My name is David Baravich. I work as the production director for the Roseau facility. I've been with Polaris about 26 years. So I grew up in a small town about an hour west of here, which is a little town called Stephen. Very small town, about 650 people. What really interested me in Polaris is I love this area. I grew up in this area, I've got family in this area. But what keeps me here is the product and the people. When you look at Polaris, we have about 1,400 employed here of a community of about 2,700 people in Roseau. And then you couple that with the local communities within a 20-mile radius. So it's a great community to raise a family and a fantastic place to have your kids grow up and get an opportunity to not only ride and drive the product, but be involved in community events.
So my name is Keith Bewley. I've been at Polaris in Roseau 28 years. I grew up 10 miles out of Roseau. Enjoy the type of lifestyle that you get to live outside of the city. You know, like I said, when I started out on night shift, second shift, at that time frame we'd move from snowmobiles to ATVs, just depending on where the demand was. So we got to work on, I got to learn a lot of different things, work with a lot of different people, and build a lot of different product. It's peaceful, quiet, it's a good way of life. I mean, that's what we wanted, and that's why we stayed here.
My name is Hillary Gross. I've been here for 22 years. Fun, and I do love the people that I work with every day. I think Roseau has the most beautiful sunsets of anywhere I've ever been. So it's just enjoying that and not taking it for granted that we just live in a beautiful place. You know, there's a lot of pride in the work that we do, not just in Polaris, but the whole community. People work hard here, and people are willing to help each other out. You know, you see your neighbor struggling with something, they go help.
Hi, I'm Adam Baumgartner, Senior Plant Director here at Polaris Roseau. You have the outdoors and the trail system and the ability to get outside. People are very innovative and are creative in finding solutions to putting together vehicles and constantly improving the way we put together our vehicles.
But this is home.